Our process is actually going to start on the computer. That's where we design out the different elements that we're going to be cutting out. We're going to talk a little bit about that process so that if there's time, we have some tote bags. You can all come up with an individual little design to print out and heat press onto those bags. Let's jump right into the process.
Open Works is a nonprofit makerspace on the east side of Baltimore that was founded in 2016 with a mission to make tools, technology, and the knowledge to use them accessible to all. We are really excited to expand this landscape of opportunity by partnering with UMB's Office of Community and Civic Engagement to offer free programming at the Community Engagement Center, which allows us to offer classes to residents of Poppleton and beyond.
We're really excited to partner with Open Works because they are really a leader in the local maker movement here in Baltimore. They have the skills, the staff, the expertise to really oversee and manage not just maker programming, but also the equipment in our space. And we really see them as an exceptional community partner with a shared goal of increasing access to resources, maker education, and skills to the Baltimore community. Our West Baltimore community is a community that is rich with resources. We have people with incredible skills. We have all these amazing makers right here in this room, but there aren't always a lot of opportunities for affordable and accessible education to really develop those skills. So it's really important for us to be able to provide the space, leveraging resources that UMB has as an institution within the West Baltimore community, so that we can increase access to that space so that no matter your background, your financial status, the experiences or the education that you have, you can come into the space, be welcomed, and there'll be programming here that's inclusive and ready to meet you where you are to address your needs.
Today we were doing our soft launch of the series of classes that are going to be happening in this space. We wanted to give people an introduction to a variety of machines that are available here for people to use. So our Cricuts, the heat presses for those, and also our sewing machines. And the idea was to make a project that was very approachable with a nice little satisfying outcome to kind of demystify and ease people into the use of these machines.
Today we composed a pennant, University of Maryland. I did the quilting class and I've sewn lots of things. I crochet and I've just learned knitting. It's awesome program here.
This will be the easy part. When we go over to our heat transfer vinyl, which maybe for the sake of demo, I'll cut that now. We're gonna have to do a process of weeding, which is removing the excess material off of the other layer of that material.
I've never done it. I didn't know anything about vinyling or none of that. So this is my first time. And then this is what I created today. So I got some good instructions and good instructors. And so I think I did well.
Making stuff is empowering. It gives people a sense of confidence and mastery over the world around them. 2, it transfers real-life skills to repair your house or fix things around your home, create things that you might need in your daily life. 3, the on-ramp from UMB's center to Open Works is an on-ramp that can culminate in jobs and entrepreneurship, and it can culminate in more ambitious community projects at a bigger scale.